Wind power is one of the largest producers of clean energy in the world, yet most people don't have direct access to it. It's time to take wind power into your own hands, and now you can with Shine, the ultra-compact portable wind turbine that rapidly creates and stores clean energy to power handheld devices day or night, wherever the wind blows. It's super lightweight, with the highest power-to-weight ratio compared to solar panels, water turbines, and thermoelectric stoves. This means you're getting the most power for the least amount of weight you have to carry. Thanks to our patent-pending technology, your turbine can collect 3 phones worth of power in as little as an hour. As nature lovers and outdoor adventurers, we spent the last 3 years developing a product that delivers all the benefits of a large wind turbine, scaled down to fit in your backpack. Love hiking and camping, but worry about not having power if there's an emergency? Solar panels don't always work when you need them to. With Shine, you have the freedom to charge and explore on your own terms. Don't like being home without power? Generators are loud and expensive, and battery packs always die. With Shine, you're prepared. You can charge it whenever you want, and its battery can fully power things like your iPad or phone. Have all the latest gadgets, but not a good way to keep them charged? Portable power stations are too heavy, and it's easy to forget to charge battery packs. With Shine, you have renewable, lightweight energy to power things like your camera and drone. Use Shine's internal battery on the go to charge phones, tablets, lights, and more, or charge from the turbine while it's operating. You can even pre-charge before you take off. About the size of a water bottle, this mighty wind turbine can withstand the wear of the outdoors. Setup is quick and easy. With everything stored in the turbine, you'll be generating power in under 2 minutes. Also, it's incredibly quiet. Don't know where the wind's coming from? No problem. Shine automatically turns into the wind. As long as the leaves are rustling, you're in business. An umbrella may not be able to handle high winds, but Shine can.
I'm Kat.
And I'm Rachel.
And we're the creators of Shine. Together with our team, we have over 30 years of experience in engineering, product design, and taking care of customers.
And we can't wait to put wind power in your hands.
Shine is proudly designed and manufactured in Canada, and we're ready for production, but we need your help to bring costs down. So reserve yours today and tell your friends, because with your support, we are going to deliver the best ever portable wind turbine that will change the way you create and use energy forever.
Hi, my name is Jonathan. In this book you will learn how to build yourself a small wind turbine. I'm an enthusiast for renewable energy and I like do-it-yourself solutions. So I founded PureSelfMade 7 years ago and started teaching workshops on how to build small wind turbines. From simple materials and with little skills needed. These turbines can then be used to generate electricity, for example in off-grid systems. I choose the reliable Piggott turbine design for my projects. It has been developed by my friend Hugh Piggott in the rough conditions of northern Scotland. The design is robust, efficient and cost-effective. It could be described as open-source hardware. Over the years, the design has advanced in many ways. For example, the new ferrite turbine designs were developed based on the original Piggott design. After building about 30 wind turbines in my workshops and collecting many ideas, it is now time to turn countless drafts into a real publication and share the knowledge. This new book will contain the latest plans for building the popular ferrite generator wind turbines, also called the F-Series, which covers designs from 600 watts to about 3 kilowatts rated power. All structured in clean step-by-step instructions, packed with lots of information and manufacturing tips for a smooth build, straight from the field for you. That makes it perfect for educational projects. The book will also include a section about making your own tower to carry the wind turbine, and a chapter about designing and building an off-grid system that combines your turbine with solar panels and the battery storage to make the best use of your homemade electricity. You can pre-order your copy of the book and help the project raise money for publishing. That way you can support us to make a real impact by empowering people and sharing these wind turbines with the do-it-yourself energy community worldwide.
Revolt starts spinning in a 4-mile-per-hour wind and starts making electricity immediately. It's quick and easy to assemble and simply hangs from a hook, tree branch, or line. It's easy to maintain and repair. There's onboard batteries and a USB port. Quiet and stable, the unique two-blade design blends seamlessly into its environment. Revolt is affordable to everyone and allows independence from power companies. A turbine or a series of turbines can power or charge any type of battery, device, or system.
It is virtually indestructible.
It's rugged enough to survive storms and resist lightning strikes and moisture. 3D printed models have tested well, and performance is expected to improve.
By joining forces with us, you add your voice to the thousands who, like us, believe that a cleaner, greener future is possible.
We are students from The Hague, Netherlands, studying industrial design engineering. In our project, we work together with Oreo. He supported us in the project and works for MSF. We are currently prototyping on a low-budget wind turbine. When you see those pictures from the refugee camps, what can you do to improve their lives? Electricity is rare in those camps, even though it's a basic human need. For this case, we will create a wind turbine that costs only $20 to $30 and generates 10 to 20 watts, enough to charge a phone. More about our turbine. We are creating a simple setup wind turbine. Anyone, even without technical skills, will be able to set it up. It's made in a DIY style, mostly from PVC pipes. That guarantees easy repairs. As well, we integrated a tripod folding system that makes it easy to transport, but still, it reaches a relevant height to catch enough wind.